Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome to yet another episode on Little's Law YouTube channel. So, today, what we are going to see is about one of the best practices that we have to follow or we must follow when we are using Neoload. And the best practice is every time when we upgrade or update our Neoload to a new version, what happens is we have multiple versions of Neoload installed in our system, like the one which you are seeing now. So in fact, I have uninstalled 7.11 previously, but still I have 7.10 and Neoload 8.0 in the machine. And the reason which I have started recording this video is I want to tell the pure performance testers who use Neoload is that when you have multiple versions of Neoload in your machine, it might degrade the performance of your machine. And there are chances where your machine that you are using for testing and the performance of the tool or the performance of the machine might go down. So I always recommend you to uninstall the previous versions which we have in our test machines. But on the other side, I would recommend you to keep the setup file, that is the .exe files, in your machine in case if you want to record any of the previous versions of the application. Because there were scenarios where we wanted to test the older versions of the applications, and at those scenarios we have installed the older versions of Neoload and used it for recording and testing. So just keep in mind, every time when you upgrade your Neoload, make sure you have the older version and the new version in your machine, and make sure you install the previous versions. Say for example, if you have 7.1 and you are installing 8, so make sure you have 7.1 and 8. So just only the two recent versions, because when you recently migrate, when you recently install your tool to Neoload 8.0, so you might need some time to migrate all your scripts from your previous version to the new version, and it might take some time to migrate all the scripts. And if there are any immediate requirement to test your older scripts, you might need your previous versions. So the best practice here is have your previous version and the latest version, and any other versions before that you are good to uninstall, and make sure you have the older versions of exe files in your machine, because most of the times we don't find that in the Neoload or the Tricentis website. So I advise you to keep the older versions of exe files in your machine to record your old applications. And today we will see how to uninstall the Neoload older version. So the first step is go to the control panel and go to uninstall a program and search for the Neoload older version. So today, excuse me, so I have the Neoload 8.0, so I'm uninstalling the Neoload 7.10. So clicking on uninstall change, and I'm clicking on S, and this will take me to the uninstall window. Please deactivate your Neoload license key prior to uninstallation if you are planning to use license on another machine. So I'm clicking on next, and Neoload uninstall. Again, I'm clicking on next to continue. So now the uninstallation process has started. It might take a little time to uninstall. Let's hold on for a few more seconds. And yes, the Neoload was successfully removed from your computer, and I'm clicking on finish. So this will automatically remove the Neoload 7.10. So as I said earlier, so it is always recommend to keep the recent two versions, and any other version other than that is always recommended to uninstall. And also, once you make sure that you have migrated all your scripts to the recent version, you are good to even uninstall the previous version. I mean, the previous version of your latest version. This will actually help you to have a better performance in your machine. And the next thing is, please make sure you have all your older version exe files, so that in any case, if any of the scripts that does not get recorded in your new versions, there are scenarios where they will work in your older versions of Neoload if the applications are a little bit older and if they are developed on the older technologies. So with that, we come to an end. This is just a quick session. So with that, we come to an end, and I would like to, so please make sure you subscribe to our Little Sly YouTube channel, follow our videos, like and share it with your friends. And please let me know your valuable feedback in the comments section. We'll meet in at another interesting session. Till then, bye.